welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order, your life, your journey, and lifestyle that fits for you. Y'all, don't pay attention to that clock. I need to get another battery. That is not what time it is. It's actually 9 a.m. on the dot. So I wanted to do a day in the life with you guys. I wanted to just show you guys some of the things that I have to do from my 9 to 5. If you don't know, I have a full-time job. I am an account manager. And so I just wanted to take you down what a typical day is for me. I do have a remote position, and I really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. I've been in this position probably a little over a year now, so I really enjoy the job, what I'm doing. I have the opportunity to meet some amazing people, create new business relationships, so it's really fulfilling. You guys seen earlier in the clip, got up real early this morning to do some schoolwork because y'all, life be life. And so I wanted to just do some studying this morning, so I got up and did that. And I did that for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half or two. So then I fell back asleep, and then woke up. I did my morning routine. But typically on Fridays, today is Friday, I don't know when this vlog is going to come up, but typically on Friday is to go ahead and calendar plan. And the calendar planning for my position is very important because I have different events on behalf of my company. And so we have to be able to make sure that the scheduling is up to par. We have to make sure that everything is confirmed, make sure all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. So I like to go ahead and do my calendar planning for the week. And a part of that calendar planning is scheduling any kind of meetings that I have with my sponsors, whether they're in person or they're on Teams, or we just have a simple conference call. I have to make sure that I always schedule a week prior to, so I can get prepared for the next week. Another part of my calendar planning is I have to schedule my travel time. I do travel for my job. I like to write my calendar planning. So this is my appointment calendar. I use an appointment. It's in there. So this is an appointment calendar, and what I like about this calendar is it gives you the date, but it also gives you times. This is how I start my calendar planning. I work from this appointment book, and then after I do that, I transfer the information into Outlook because we have to share our calendar details with our manager. So that's when I'm going to be working on the first part of the morning. Go ahead and have my conference calls and my team meetings with my sponsors. And then the later part of the day, I'm going to go ahead and do my administrative tasks. So a part of my responsibility is to make sure that we have a lot of, send out my email communications. We have to send out marketing material, sure, like different information that has to be inputted into the system on my behalf is updated and that is current. So that's where we are for today, you guys. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. So let me go ahead and get started. Goodness. Okay, y'all, it is, what time is it? I'm gonna let y'all see on my screen. It is 2:51. It's 2:51, y'all. So I'm just gonna finish up some admin functions. I'm gonna come back and we're going to go ahead and get prepared for, I want to show you how I prepare my staging for my cleaning clients. I have a client in my garage, and I just want to show you guys where I store my cleaning products and supplies. Y'all, I am going to revamp my whole garage because y'all, it's just too much going on. I'm gonna give y'all just a little bit of that right there. Yeah, and it's a whole lot more, but I got too much going on in the garage, but that's not what this video is about. But I'm definitely going to be doing a reorganizing project. But anyway, this is where I keep most of the liquid supplies and things like that on this particular shelving unit. And then this is where I keep like a lot of the like the mops, the scrubbies, and also our caddies. You see, I have several caddies for our technicians, and right in this little corner right here, this is where I actually clean. This is where I actually keep the cleaning tools. This is where I keep the cleaning tools right here. So I'm just gonna briefly show you guys what I do with a getting prepared for a clean, my staging. What she does here, so discard the wigs over there. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys how I get prepared for my cleaning. The main thing I do is I have a generalized checklist for the cleaning products and everything that needs to go into caddies. Cleaning jobs, it may be a little bit more details, or I may have to have some extra supplies that's not on this list.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm, I'll still believe. And when it seems I'm at the end.
All right, y'all, so these are all the cleaning tools that we'll be using for tomorrow for this particular cleaning. All right, you guys, now I want to show you what is all in the cleaning caddies. Tomorrow we're doing a standard clean, so every technician has to have paper towels. We all take 5 cleaning towels with us. They have a face mask in here, air freshener, scrubby bubbles for the bathroom, toilet bowl cleaner. They all have a trash bag. I have two sets of gloves down here, extra cleaning brushes. They have booties. They have a duster, Ajax, sponges, a window cleaning tool, and we keep multi-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, and some good old Clorox. So that's typically for a standard clean what we always have in the caddies. For this particular client, they have stainless steel wipes that I'll be using on tomorrow. So yeah, so we are all set to go. I am so happy. So let me go ahead and start getting ready for my sister's graduation, and I will see y'all. All right, y'all, I want to do a quick little outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing. Shirt is from New York & Company. The pants are from Marshall's, and I have on, I'm gonna flip the camera so y'all can see my shoes in just 1 second. Outdoor bag, what I'm wearing today. I've been wearing this purse all week, but I'm wearing my outdoor bag and my shoes. I have on my mules from time I head out to my sister's graduation. I'll see y'all next clip. proud of your mommy? Yeah, I'm proud of her too. What would you like to say?
She has been a good mommy. Even though she work out, she would still be a good mom to me.
Oh.
Destiny Jones.
Hey, y'all, this whole time that my sister kissed me.